Hello, I'm Holly and today I'm going to show you another amazing recipe from Taste Cocktails. This one is the Bramble Kit. Now these are really good for trying cocktails at home because they come with each ingredient that you're going to need for a few different cocktails. So it saves you going to the supermarket, buying a load of big bottles that can be quite pricey. Also, sometimes you don't know if you're going to particularly like a cocktail, but I can tell you this one is my favourite. I absolutely love a Bramble, so let's get started. So in the box, we have got the booklet that will tell us all about the history of the Bramble. It will tell you a little bit about the ingredients and of course the different recipes. So I'm gonna go with the classic Bramble today. So I've already crushed some ice and put it in the glass. And then I've half filled a cocktail shaker with cubes of ice. So minus 33, it is 33% alcohol, so therefore it can't be classed as a gin because that's got to be 37.5, but it really is delicious and it works so well in this cocktail. So you're gonna need your 40 millilitres of that one, 20 millilitres of fresh lemon juice, 10 millilitres of sugar syrup. So let's give it a shake. So then we're gonna pour this lovely mixture into our glass. Then I'm going to drizzle the creme de menthe, about 10 millilitres of this on the top. That is lovely. That blackberry liqueur with the hit of lemon, oh, it's amazing. I'll be showing you more of the range from Taste Cocktails over the next few weeks, but if you'd like to get your hands on this amazing Bramble kit, you can by clicking the link up above or below this video. Cheers everyone!